In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Higgsfield AI subscription. So when you're on their website and you're signed into your account, click on your profile icon top right over here and then click on where it says Manage Account. Inside the Manage Account tab here, you'll be able to see Workspace and then Subscription. Click on the Subscription tab, and then in here you'll be able to see your current plan. So I'm currently on the Ultimate plan, as you can see, and you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and here it's going to say Danger Zone, Manage Subscription Cancel. Click on this arrow down. It's going to pop up a warning which says that canceling a subscription will result in immediate loss of access to premium features at the end of your current billing period, and then this action cannot be undone and may result in data loss. So if you agree with this and if you are okay with canceling the subscription, here it's going to say your plan name. Click on cancel subscription, confirm it, and then you are good to go. You've successfully done it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.